Okay, teraz. I have to honk the horn just for my video editing. Okay. Czemu on cię kurwa? Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy GD riding on this Roadstar 1700 from the west coast, Sarasota. Look how nice it is over here. Much fucking better than in Boynton Beach or Palm Beach on my side where it's always raining. Oh my god, it's really nice over here. I'm riding my stepdad's Yamaha Roadstar 1700 and it's a great freaking bike. It's so easy to steer, and I mean, I love this thing. I just hopped on it and it's so familiar to the Warrior. I mean, look, the handling is just freaking great. I hope you guys can hear the sound because it sounds freaking awesome. And that's the first time I ride a bagger here with such a high windshield, so that's actually pretty cool too. And what we're doing right now is we're bringing the bike to the shop. I think his fuel gauge is now working, as you can see, and we need gas too. So we're gonna bring it to the shop. They're gonna fix it for him, and then most likely we will be riding over the weekend. Today is Saturday. We want to enjoy the nice weather, so I hope you guys doing great over there, my fellow Warrior riders and everybody else. And yeah, it took us maybe like what, 2 hours to, no, not 2 hours, 3 hours to ride from the east coast to the west coast. I didn't take my Warrior with me, unfortunately, because there was so much rain on the way. I mean, there was parts where we couldn't see, you know, and we had to like slow down on I-75 to like 40 miles an hour. You know, so oh yeah, this thing is freaking comfortable. I got a fucking backrest. Gotta get used to that clutch. Let's say hi to my stepdad. Oh yeah. What's up, bad boy? It's pretty fucking cool. Yeah, the moment I get rid of my Indian Scout, I'm going to definitely get a bagger. I mean, even these Roadstars, I think this one is a 12 or something like that, and I'm definitely gonna get one. But I'm gonna stay with the Yamaha family, man. Those are great bikes, so comfortable, so easy to handle. I mean, look at that. I can swing around left and right without a freaking problem. Even I just maneuvered it out of his garage, of his driveway, and it's like elevated. No fucking deal, you know, backwards. So fucking love it, man. Why spend? I mean, no disrespect, you know, to Harleys and stuff, but why, you know, why pay fucking $30,000-$40,000 for the same technology, basically, you know, etc., etc., whatever. clutch is a little bit different than on mine, obviously. I like that deceleration sound on the bike. But yeah, to tell my Warrior guys here about a little bit about the Roadstar, it's freaking comfortable as fuck, man. Everything, as you can see, is familiar. The, you know, the controls and stuff. Everything is basically the same like on the Warrior. You got your freaking turn signals right here, high beam fucking horn is right there. Yeah, it's fucking the same. It's the same bike. It's just fucking carbureted and it's a freaking touring bike, right? Great, great, love it. Amazing weather, man. So is this idle too low? I don't know. You tell me. Is it? Is it not? I mean, it almost fits me like it's about to fucking die. You know? And I'll tell him to raise it. And if you say that the idle is okay, drop a comment below too. And let me know. Oh man. The roads here are so freaking different than on my side, man. Everything is so empty. It's less crowded, man. Way less. It's like, I mean, it's also early in the morning right now. It must be like fucking 9 o'clock or something like that. Oh yeah, I like it. Come on, buddy. This thing has a heel shifter, but to be honest, I don't even know how to fucking use it, man. I don't have a heel shifter on my Warrior. Who needs a heel shifter? Unless that's the way it's supposed to be on a fucking Roadstar. By the way, I got my Roadstar Warrior t-shirt on. You gotta represent, right? Even though it's not a Warrior. But it's a Roadstar. It's like the big daddy. Or the grandfather. Right? Roadstar 1700 touring, like this one. It's a freaking grandfather. The Roadstar Warrior is like the fucking, you know, the bad son on steroids, having road rage every day. And who needs to show his power off. Sounds good. All right, here is the that's it. What's this place called? Precision Cycle, Sarasota. Let me know if you come in here. I've never been here. I have never heard of a place. It must be his favorite place. Precision Cycle, Sarasota. Look at these bikes. Boulevard, Davidson's. Very nice. Look, oh, a fucking Grom. How nice is that?